Have you ever wondered how Chainlink, also known as Link, performed so well in 2023? Well, it's a fascinating tale of resilience and innovation. Chainlink emerged as one of the top performers in the crypto market, with its token prices skyrocketing by an impressive 160% from January to December. That's right, a whopping 160%. This surge wasn't a fluke or a result of some market anomaly. No, it was a result of something much more fundamental. The remarkable resurgence of Chainlink can be attributed to a key development in the crypto space: the growing interest in real-world assets, or RWA's tokenization. This is a game-changing concept that leverages digital asset tokens to represent legal and ownership rights to real-world assets, all recorded on the blockchain. So, as we delve deeper into the story of Chainlink's success, remember this pivotal aspect. So what exactly is real-world asset tokenization, and how did it impact Chainlink's performance? Well, imagine owning a small piece of the Eiffel Tower, or a fraction of a Picasso painting. This is what real-world asset, or RWA tokenization, is all about. It's a process that allows for the representation of legal and ownership rights to real-world assets through digital tokens. These tokens are then recorded on the blockchain, providing a secure and transparent record of ownership. Now, how does this relate to Chainlink? As a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink plays a pivotal role in the tokenization process. It provides reliable and accurate data to smart contracts, making the conversion of real-world assets into tokens not only feasible, but also trustworthy and efficient. This growing interest and trust in the tokenization of RWAs have contributed significantly to the surge in value of Chainlink tokens. Thanks to the narrative surrounding RWAs, Chainlink saw a significant boost in its performance. But what does this mean for Chainlink's future, specifically in 2024? As we delve into the potential of this Oracle provider, we turn to the insights of crypto observers, including the likes of Scott Melker. Melker, along with many others, believes that Chainlink will continue to ride the wave of the narrative surrounding real-world assets, or RWAs. This narrative has been a key driver behind Chainlink's success, and there's no reason to believe it will lose momentum in the new year. Chainlink's technology is well-positioned to leverage the growth of RWA tokenization, with its ability to connect real-world data to smart contracts. This unique capability could see Chainlink continuing its strong performance well into 2024, riding high on the growing interest in digital tokens representing legal and ownership rights to real-world assets. With the continued interest in RWAs, Chainlink's future looks promising. Only time will tell if this Oracle provider can maintain its remarkable performance in 2024.